Hey Raul, why does my car jerk when shifting gears?
Could be a lot of things, but usually it's something related to the transmission. Could be something with the torque converter. It depends if it's a manual. There's a lot of things, but it's usually something with the transmission.
Hey Johnny,
Yes.
why does my car jerk when shifting gears?
Probably because you shouldn't be driving clutch. I don't know, maybe the transmission's slipping or low on fluid or it's time for a new transmission or it's a lot of factors, so bring it down to the shop and we'll check it out for you.